Number 5.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, but on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start, but the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Cubit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.
Number 4. Number 3.
What if you could build soaring towers, amazing structures, and the roller coaster of your dreams, all in your living room? It's possible with Magnet Cubes, a new toy that's inspiring discovery and hands-on learning for all ages. Magnet Cubes are magnetic, modular cubes that easily attach to one another. You don't need glue, connectors, or anything. Marble tracks can be attached through the cubes for easy rearrangement, so you can build, test, and rebuild with endless possibilities. The best part? The transparent cubes let you see all the action while you play. Magnet cubes aren't just ordinary building blocks. They build faster, larger, and more easily than any other building system, allowing you to create marvelous designs effortlessly. This dynamic toy is fun for everyone. It challenges children to be creative problem solvers and keeps adults limber and sharp. If you're staring at a screen all day, magnet cubes are for you. Take breaks or relieve stress by playing with these pleasing structures and their relaxing kinetic movements. Magnet cubes are challenging, family-friendly, and fun. Grow your collection with expansion packs to create bigger and more complex designs. The possibilities are endless. Get your Magnet Cube starter pack today and unleash your imagination.
Number 2.
Hello, I'm Joel Radvani, founder of Tech Labs. I'd like to welcome you to our workshop. Tech Labs was founded 5 years ago in Basel, Switzerland. We create physical and curricula content and organize experiences that allow 6 to 16-year-old children to experience inspiration and serendipity in the field of STEM. Our latest project, the SWARM Robot TL1, is a unique robotic learning platform designed by our team of award-winning STEAM teachers, mechanical engineers, and micro-roboticists. The superpowers of the TL1 is its ability to work collaboratively and in a swarm to exhibit biomimicry. This is at the cutting edge of robotics in the real world. And now let's hear from Laurent Negron, our award-winning STEM teacher who is the brains behind the SWARM Robot TL1.
Thanks, Joel. Within my 21 years as a STEM teacher in the French public system, I worked with a lot of robotic platforms from the market. TL1, our swarm robotic platforms here at Tech Labs, is the culmination of my experience. TL1 can be used in all STEAM fields. Robotics, of course, but not only. How does a group of animals or cells work together in an organized way when no one is in charge? This is called emergent behavior, and it can be illustrated using our TL1 platform. Like here, where the bots work like cells, differentiating themselves in an embryo. Another possible application using our platform are ants colonies. Ants' ability to explore large unknown areas is unique. You can mimic this capability using TL1s and their ability to feel each other using the strength of a radio signal and multiple sensors. Yes, our TL1s work together. They can organize themselves to perform complex tasks that couldn't be achieved by a single expensive robot. That's the power of the swarm. Let our STEAM students work together. Let them be in the swarm.
Number 1.
Meet Suntable, the world's only solar-powered induction charging table with 360 degrees of sound by JBL. Suntable is the ultimate outdoor companion, allowing you the freedom to charge, chill, and play your music anywhere you go. Designed to live either inside or out, Suntable provides a constant source of renewable energy for your phone, other devices, and its built-in Bluetooth speakers, meaning you'll never have to bring speakers outdoors again. Suntable's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table, keeping your phone out of sun's way and cool as it charges. And if you don't have an induction charging device, no problem. Suntable also charges via USB. Elegant yet resilient, Suntable not only pleases the eye, but can also endure the uses and rigors of everyday life, including water. So you can safely use it at the pool, or at the beach. Basically, Suntable can go wherever you go. By combining a table, solar power, induction charging, and music into one device, we believe we can improve human life outdoors while at the same time improving the planet. So that's Suntable. Please let us know what you think, and if you can, give us a hand. We'd love to inspire you to step outside.